Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project on Waliku Admin. First, you will have to log in as a super admin, as only the super admin has the authority to create project on Waliku Admin. After logging in, click on Settings, and then click on Project Management. Now, click on Add Project. Here you can enter the project name. For example, the project name is Project 0. And now you can select the association type. A project can be assigned to different levels from country, state, district to school. Okay, now let's try one by one. I will be clicking on country. And now you will see several countries listed here. You can either select all of them if the project is based on these countries, or you can just select one country or two countries. For now, I will be selecting just one country, the Philippines. And then if you're done, save it. Now let's try the state. Select the country, select the association, the states, and click on save. If you go to district, then there will be an extra drop-down option. You can select the districts here. Again, you can either select all of the district or just one district. And if you select on school level, then the school list will appear. Okay, for example, the project is based on AB school on the Philippines, and then save it. Project added successfully, click on OK. After you create a project, the project name, association type, and associations or the location will appear on the table. Okay, and that is how to create a project on Waliku Admin.